Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact codec model and that you have the original remote, because menus vary by model. Once done, power cycle the TV by unplugging it for about 10 seconds and plugging it back in to clear transient locks. Make sure the TV is on a stable input and that the remote batteries are fresh, then position yourself close to the IR sensor. These steps remove common barriers and put you in the immediate state to enter the factory sequence. You now perform the key button sequence to open the factory menu. With the TV on and ready, press menu then type 1993 slowly, pausing 1 to 2 seconds between each key press so the TV registers each input. If your model uses a different code, try menu 0000 or menu then 1111. The idea is the same. Watch the screen for a subtle service mode overlay. Once visible, use arrow keys to navigate cautiously because settings are sensitive. You finish by making only one change at a time and noting original values on paper because factory settings affect calibration and system behavior. Once adjustments are complete, choose Save and Exit or simply power cycle the TV to ensure changes take effect. If the menu is locked or asks for a PIN, try 0000 first, then 1111. If unsuccessful, recheck the model-specific code. If the screen freezes, unplug for 20 seconds to recover. These steps keep you safe and reversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.